Good morning, children. Now, the last part of the clever tortoise on page 59. Now, see on page number 58, the rope was cut by the tortoise with an stone axe, and it got cut. The elephant fell in very bumped and fell very badly into the bushes, and the hippopotamus fell into the river. The small fishes were very scared what noise has become, because the hippopotamus is so heavy, the fish is very small, and these all animals did not understand how clever trick the tortoise had played. Now we will see the further part of the lesson. Pitter patter, clever tortoise went to visit elephant in the bush. Now see, pitter patter means what? Like how rain falls on the tin, on your roof, how the noise comes. The same way, these many animals with the tortoise, that pitter patter was the noise of their legs. They were walking in the forest, finding the elephant where he has fallen. He stood there with his arms akimbo, pretending to look all powerful. Now he stood there. Now if anybody comes to fight with you, how you put your hands on the hip, kamar pe haath rakh ke. He stood with his arms, his legs. He was standing on two legs and keeping both the hands on his hip, showing still he is powerful. He did not know that the rabbit, the elephant, tortoise and other animals have come to know that he has fallen down very badly, but still akimbo means kamar par haath rakh kar khade rehna, to keep your hands on the hip, elbows up and the hands on the hip. He stood very strongly, showing that he is still powerful. Quicker than hummingbirds beats its wing, he called. Elephant just stared at the tortoise. Where did he hide his strength? In his toes. Now the tortoise is saying, you said, that elephant had said, you remember I explained you, कि before the hummingbird, bung आवाज करने वाला जो पंछी है, वो पंख मारने से पहले मैं तुमको खींच लूँगा. Where is your strength gone now? Where is your strength gone? Where you have hidden your strength? कहाँ छुपा है तुम्हारी ताकत तुम्हारे अंगठों में? In your toes. Pitter patter, clever tortoise went to visit hippopotamus by the water, and again with making the same noise, in a very happy mood, they went to the hippopotamus near the water. Faster than a fish can jump over the frog, he called. What is telling the hippopotamus? You said faster than a fish can jump over the frog. Small frogs are there in the bush, in the lake, pond. The fishes go to catch. Faster than how fast they catch that frog, the same way the hippopotamus said, I will pull these all animals and I will win. Hippo just stared at the tortoise. Hippo stared means घुरा के देखना. He was, when you are angry, how you see. You don't see happily. With a very anger mood, you see to the people. He stared. घुरा कर देखने लगा. Where did he hide his strength? Underneath his shell. And this hippopotamus is thinking that they have pulled me. I couldn't pull them. Where he had kept his strength? Under his shell, because the tortoise is very small. That night, elephant and the hippopotamus both slept a deep tug of war sleep. And what these animals are saying, that night elephant and the hippopotamus, both of them slept a tug of war sleep. They had a tug of war. जोर से elephant गिर गया, जोर से hippopotamus गिर गया. When we fall somewhere, if we get hurt, if we are not keeping well, you go a deep sleep. गहरी नींद में, दोनों भी गहरी नींद में गए. But the smaller animals stayed awake. What happened? The smaller animals stayed awake. They wanted to enjoy yet another night. because they had stayed one night before also, they were awake, doing tying the rope, tying the creepers, making rassi, making rope to for the tug of war. So next night also they were awake. My, what clapping and swinging. You see, when you are happy, you clap, you jump, you sing, you dance. Same way this animal started. And what dancing and singing? There was dancing and singing among them. What jumping and cartwheeling happened in the moonlight. And what jumping? They were jumping. And cartwheeling means, cart means गाड़ी, बैलगाड़ी का जो चक्का होता है, कार्ट व्हील. They were jumping on that, they were jumping on the cart, they were jumping on the tree, they were shouting, they were clapping, they were dancing, and they were enjoying कि they are successful in beating these two animals who were showing the strength. You clever tortoise, cheered rabbit. Rabbit cheered means खुशी से बोला. He cheered him, he made him happy. Warthog, lizard, snake and changu, a little black ant and all others. What was a good trick? They all said to the tortoise, my dear tortoise, what a good trick it is. And what was how a quarrel was mended. And that was how the quarrel was mended means the quarrel was mend. To mend the slippers. To mend the slippers means जो चप्पल टूटती है उसको रिपेयर करना. So the quarrel was mended, it was repaired. All the animals were happy again, and they were all happy again. Kawaheriya, Kona Vanangu. So long, children, till we meet again. What does this mean? This sentence here, Kwaheri ya Kanangu Vanangu, so long, means yes, children, as per now, till we heard this story, let's see what we can do or what we can hear about the story again till when we meet. Thank you very much. After this, I will put you the question answers. Please keep on reading the lesson. Read the lesson because some question may come from the lesson also. Read the lessons. We are trying our level best so that if you can come to school, but it's not allowed. Now you read the lesson, find out any problem is there. You can contact me, and after this I will put you the question answers. Thank you very much. Regards to your parents and love to you.